Hi, welcome to another episode of Yummzy Recipes. Today, we're going to be making an amazing salad. A salad which you might have tried already many times before. It's known as Tabbouleh for Lebanese restaurants or people. It's known in Turkish restaurants or for Turkish people as Kisir, and for the Armenians, it's known as Eech. Now, this salad usually has bulgur wheat. So, sorry guys, this is not going to be a low carb recipe. Just kidding. It is going to be a low carb recipe. We're going to show you how to make this amazing salad, low carb style, keto style, vegan style, Yummzy style basically. So have a look at how we're going to make it. Take note of the ingredients. Obviously go for organic wherever you can. Go for the ingredients you enjoy as well. So I know I'm doing strict keto, so I've only used 1 tomato. You might want to use more than 1 tomato if you're less strict than I am. Another thing to note is if you are pregnant, it might be worth talking to your doctor before having so much vitamin C. Oh, where's the vitamin C coming from? Well, the parsley is a powerhouse full of vitamin C. But as I mentioned, please talk to your doctor if you are pregnant before having big amounts of vitamin C. Now let's get started on this amazing salad. You'll be relieved to know the actual salad will take less than a minute to mix. However, the ingredients will take you about 15 hours to chop. Just kidding. It will take you about 20 minutes to chop everything, but the salad will be well worth it and everybody will enjoy it. See you guys in the kitchen. So with all salads, we'll start with the big leaves. And in this case, it's the finely chopped parsley. So this is a lot of parsley. This is like 2 bunches of parsley on 1 plate. Now, the finer you can chop the parsley, the better. In our case, I lack the patience for fine chopping, so this is as best as it got. Next, we will add the chopped onions. And we didn't put as much onion as we should for this recipe, but we like it in that balance. If you like more onions, just help yourself to more onions. We're going to be adding the secret ingredient instead of the bulgur wheat, which is actually hemp hearts. This is so healthy and full of omegas, guys. I would have to dedicate a whole video just for hemp hearts. So please help yourself to it. This is replacing the bulgur wheat in the recipe. And now I will add my chopped mint. And I will add my finely chopped tomato. Remember, I went for a small tomato because I am doing strict keto and tomato should not even be part of it. So this is my cheat for the week. Next, I'll be adding the garlic, which I have finely chopped. And last but not least, my olive and oil mix. Oh, actually, last but not least, the salt. Finally, we'll be adding the salt. Now I'll mix everything together. Remember, you can add more of our bulgur wheat replacement, which in this case is hemp. So be as generous as you want with the hemp. If you want more hemp to replace the bulgur wheat, add more. If you didn't like bulgur wheat in the whole salad to start with, obviously put less hemp. It has the same texture, it will have the same feel, it will have the same everything, but not the carbs. Instead of carbs, it's going to have a lot of healthy oils and fats that your body, your hormones, your hair, and everything will be thanking you for. This looks kind of ready. I would have loved more tomatoes in there, but not the case for what I'm doing. So we'll skip the tomatoes, just enjoy what's there. And I will put some on a little plate. Guys, I'll be honest, I already had some of the salad It was so good, but I'm gonna try it again in front of you. The texture is good. The taste is amazing. I love how lemony it is. And I love the fact we can enjoy the omega-3s and 6s and 9s from the hemp seed, from the olive oil. It's just a mixture of just delicious and yumminess together. The light is so aggressive. Okay, I'm ready. One more time. Okay, we finished fighting. Go on. I'm shy. I haven't been in front of the camera for so long. My voice is going away. Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, welcome back, guys, to another episode of Homes. Baby, what's this? Okay, I need apple cider vinegar. I'll be right back. Or as you might know it from Armenian as Eech. I think I said the Armenian one wrong. Can we start again?
Don't ask Marushka.
No, it's in here. Eech. Eech. Eech.